Hi friends, I am Anumant. In this video, we will discuss about what is upper bound and what is lower bound. Okay, so I am taking here A. So I am taking here A is a subset of R. Okay, A is a subset of R. I am taking alpha belongs to where R. Okay, this alpha is said to be a upper bound of A. Okay, so every element of every element of every element of A, okay, every element of A less than alpha, okay, less than every element of A, okay, less than or equal to alpha. Okay, so this is the definition of the upper bound. Okay, so here I am taking for every element x belongs to A. Okay, this x less than or equal to alpha. Okay, then we say that this alpha is a upper bound of A. Okay, graphically we see I'm taking one horizontal line, so this is alpha. Okay, so elements of A is the left side of the this alpha. Okay, elements of A left side of the alpha. So every element of A does not cross this vertical line. Okay, then we say that alpha is a upper bound of A. Okay, upper bound of A. Here UB means upper bound. Okay, so uh, next thing is I don't want to give more definition, just I am simply write uh, for all x belongs to A. Okay, for all x belongs to A, so x is less than or equal to alpha. Okay, so this is the definition of the mathematical definition of the upper bound. Okay, if we see this upper bound is unique or not. Okay, suppose I am taking alpha less than or equal to alpha dash. Okay, so for all every element of A, okay, for all every element of A, so x is less than or equal to alpha. Okay, so this alpha is less than or equal or equal to what, alpha dash. So x is less than or equal to alpha dash. Okay, so here least upper bound is not in a Q. Okay, so from this we see graphically I am taking here horizontal line, so this is alpha, so alpha dash is bigger than uh, alpha, so every element of A is left side of the alpha. So from this graph, so alpha dash is also every element of A is left side of the alpha. Okay, so it does not cross this vertical line, but elements of A is left side of the alpha dash, so every element is less than or equal to alpha dash, right? So alpha dash, so here upper bound is not in a Q, so upper bound is not in a Q. Not in a Q. Okay, another next thing we see, so if if alpha is if alpha is not upper bound of A, upper bound of A means there exists at least one element. There exists at least one element x belongs to A, okay, is greater than alpha, okay. Then this alpha is not upper bound of A, okay. We see graphically. So so I'm taking here horizontal line, okay. I'm taking here horizontal line. So this is what alpha, okay. This is what alpha. So at least one element x belongs to where? A. At least one element x belongs to A, it's greater than alpha. So this x is right hand side of the alpha, okay. This x is right hand side of the alpha, okay. This x is right hand side of the alpha. At least one element it's crossed this vertical line, okay. Then we say that alpha is not upper bound of A, okay. So similarly we see what is lower bound, okay. Lower bound, okay. Lower bound, okay. So I am taking here beta, okay. I am taking here beta. So every element of I am taking here beta. So every element of A, okay, every element of A is greater than the every element of A is greater than or equal to beta, okay. So then we say that this beta is lower bound of A, okay. Lower bound of A. So every element of A, okay, we take every element, suppose I am taking here x. So if this x is greater than or equal to beta, so his beta is less than or equal to x, okay. So graphically we see suppose I am taking here horizontal line. So here is beta, okay. So every element of A is right hand side of the this vertical line beta, okay. So every element of A, these all are the elements of A, okay. It does not cross this vertical line, okay. Every element of A is right hand side of the beta, okay. Then we say that this beta is lower bound of A. So for all x belongs to A, okay, for all x belongs to A, this x, okay, greater than or equal to beta. So beta is less than or equal to x, okay. uh, Beta is less than or equal to x, okay. Is again we see this beta is unique or not, okay. This beta is unique or not, okay. We see, suppose I am taking here beta, okay. Again I am taking here beta dash. So every element of A is right hand side of the beta. So here beta is less than or equal to beta. Beta dash is less than or equal to beta. So every element of A is less than or equal to x, okay. So here again so beta dash is less than the beta, so beta dash is also less than or equal to x, okay. So from this okay, from this beta lower bound also not unique, not unique, okay. Lower bound also not unique. Suppose suppose I'm taking